Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a cute bear drinking boba. So let's get started. To draw this very happy bear, let's first start by drawing its eyes. So we're going to come right here and draw a circle. And I'm going to come right next to it, say about this wide, and draw another circle. There. So now with my two circles in, let's make them draw so cute eyes with two smaller circles inside for highlights. And a curved line at the bottom. And shade in the top. And lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. Now that I have the eyes in, let's come above each eye and we're going to draw a soft curve. Right there. And then let's come in between the eyes and we're going to draw a little nose. So let's say about right here. Draw a little curve and connect it with a wide V. And then we're going to come straight down in the center and we're going to curve around on both sides. There. And then we're going to come down with this big straw that's in the mouth. So right here and here. We're going to draw a straight line coming down. But before we finish this, let's come back around. So let's say the center of your eye. Let's see here. Let's come about to the center of the eye. I'm going to come out about this wide. And same thing on the other side, about right here. And I'm going to start to draw basic dumpling shape for the head. So I'm going to come up and come in with a curve. And let's continue this curve nice and high. So say about right here, and I'm just going to bring it all the way back down to there. Got this big curve in, and then we're going to widen this out. So about right here for the cheek area for the dumpling shape, and then let's bring it in. So nice big head. So about right here and here. Okay, so now that we have this shape in, you can always come back after you make this, draw this, because I'm drawing pretty big. It's a little bit harder sometimes, so I have to come back in and adjust my curves. Let's say about right there. Okay, so then let's come back to the top, and basically you could make this any animal you want. Once you have this head in, if you wanted to make it a cat or a dog, you would just change up the ears. But today we're drawing a kind of like a bear, I think. So we're gonna come right here in this area and just draw a simple curve right here for some bear ears. Then draw the inside, another curve, and let's drag this point across to about right here and drag this across so that we're about the same area for our other ear. So nice big curve, and then the inside once again. There. Okay, so then now that we have that, let's go ahead and we're going to need to draw our big cup of boba. So in this area in between where the head is, I'm going to come about right here. I'm just going to draw this big dome. So I'm going to bring this down. Just imagine this big dome that's about right here. So I'm going to just draw this curve, and then towards about right here in the center where the straw is, I'm going to draw a little curve. So we're drawing basically the top, the lid of our drink. That's going to be right smack in the center. Bring this out a little bit more. So let's bring this straw down. right into our drink. And then we're going to cap it off with a straight line across. There. Okay, so then now that we have this straight line with this cap, we're going to come into this area because our bear needs to be holding the drink. So we're going to come about right here, and I'm going to draw a curve that hits the cap, and it's going to curve around for our paw. So let's come back to about right here, and we're just going to go ahead and just draw a curve and connect everything so it makes sense. There, and then you can come back in here and just draw two little curves. Okay, so we got one paw in. And let's bring this in to whatever space you have left. And same thing here. And so then let's go ahead, we're going to finish this lid. So I'm just going to draw another line across, following my top. Now that we have that lid in, then we're going to come down to about right here. We're going to draw an angle line. So just imagine this is happening, same thing on the other side. It would pop out about right here. So in this area, we're going to bring out a curve just like this. Let me bring this in a little bit more. So hopefully you're using a pencil at home because there's lots of little adjustments you might need to make. So like right here, I think I went a little bit narrower. So I'm going to come about right here, and we're going to draw the other paw. So just draw a curve. And connect. Oops, so hopefully I'm not over complicating this. And right here, I draw two little curves. My goal is to make this simple, so hopefully it's not getting too complicated. So like I said, right here, I'm going to make this a little bit thinner. Now that I'm taking a look at this side, so just make the adjustments as you need. So now that I have that, finally we can finish our drink. So I'm going to bring this down. And we want a really big cup of boba. So this is going to come through. And say about right there, I'm going to go ahead and connect it with a soft curve towards the bottom. There, the hardest part is done. So hopefully I helped you with that. Back in here, make this straighter, and then we can go ahead and finish our bear's body. So let's say about right, say about right here. Go ahead. And we want a chubby bear, so right here. And let's just bring this in right underneath our cup. And we're just going to go ahead and connect it. For a simple cartoon bear. There. Okay, so then let's find our center. So it'd be about right here. And I'm just going to come on both sides, and you're just going to draw some very simple legs. That's just a big curve. For the foot, you draw two little lines if you like, and same thing here. There. Okay, so now that that is done, let's come in here and complete our drink. So we're making it boba today, but of course you can make this any kind of drink you want. Now that you have this cup, I'm going to come about right here and just draw a little wave. And let's see here, let's continue our straw, because it's like a see-through cap, right? So it should come down to there. Hopefully that makes sense. Okay, that's a very long straw, isn't it? It doesn't matter as long as it's cute, right? So then from there, we're gonna fill this with a drink. So I'm gonna come right here and draw a line. For our drink in this area, and then we can fill it with boba. So I'm going to draw a bunch of circles in here. It's all up to you. I'm just gonna fill, maybe draw one more. There, just so we get the idea of what we're drinking here. And let's see. Gonna finish off the head. And that is pretty much it, except I need to add a heart. So I'll give my bear a little heart right here to make it my Draw So Cute bear, or any kind of animal you wish to make this. It can change it up, like I said, easily by changing the ears, and just depending, you can add a tail with depending on your animal. But that is pretty much it for this drawing, and I really hope you love it and brings a smile to your day. Thanks so much for watching, and if I helped you today, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.